Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Adina and this is the second part of my video which I will review SheCodes Plus workshop. Without further ado, let's go! So as I mentioned in the previous video before, that I decided to join the SheCodes Plus workshop because I wanted to learn more about coding and I want to keep up with my pace that I had at the time, so not to lose this kind of spirit to learn. And yeah, I joined the SheCodes Plus right away after the SheCodes Basic workshop. Anyway, for the Plus workshop, basically the methods or the scheme of the course is the same. So lessons and then challenges, weekly homework, and one final project. And during that time, you will be able to freely to talk in the group chat with Slack and discuss with the technical assistant about your doubts or your questions. The plan of the course is 8 weeks in total, and they have 60 to 70 lessons, I believe. Yeah, and wow, that's amazing to think of. And I must say that SheCodes Plus was really challenging for me, especially the JavaScript part for the final project. And the final goal, the final project of this course was to build your own weather web app with the real-time data which you build from scratch. In this course, the students learn about advanced HTML, another week advanced CSS, and then learn to develop the structure of the weather app. And the rest of the weeks, we were focusing more in the JavaScript and how to integrate the API, Bootstrap, how to connect with GitHub, and also deploy the app, and finishing the app with the features that you had in mind, like what you wanted to add into the app itself. For me personally, the JavaScript part was the most difficult part. The step-by-step really taught us how to be disciplined and how to give more attention to details, because one typo and it might break all the codes. It might makes the whole function doesn't work and so on, because I experienced it myself. With only one typo or one mistake, one tiny little mistake, it might cause the break of your app. So it was really challenging. So I did the course in October last year. So it means that the project was due 1 week before the Christmas holiday, and I had the plan in mind to finish the project 1 week earlier, so I had more time to prepare for the Christmas holiday. And I also had this concept, just like my previous course with SheCodes. I made the structure of the weather app with InVision, and also I made all the illustration myself, all the images, and also the mock-up, the prototype I use Sketch app. And I also make all the icons by myself. And I also had this idea that my weather app must have 5 different interfaces, meaning that it would be depends on the weather conditions. So for example, sunny weather, meaning I'm using bright interface, and then cloudy weather, I'm using more darker interface, and so on. So I already have this concept in mind to build. And as always, with this kind of projection in mind, I find difficulties when I need to build it, because 5 interfaces, meaning that you need 5 groups of CSS and then etc. etc. So I really give a lot of a lot of doubts during that time. So I really use that group chat. I really maximize the use of group chat to discuss with technical assistant and to ask how to solve this problem, how to achieve this kind of concept that I have. And really the technical assistant team was really helpful, and he helped me a lot and helped me to find the bugs, helped me to find like the typo, or helped me to find the solution for the concept that I already had in mind. And finally I finished the project, but I couldn't finish it earlier like what I planned. So I'm using the 8 weeks maximum, like the total of 8 weeks as planned. And I really love and proud of myself because I'm able to make it from scratch, make everything, like literally everything, icons, images, illustration, coding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything all by myself. And it is so important for me to boost my confidence and to be able to enhance my skill as a designer as well with this SheCodes Plus workshop. And you can see the source of code on GitHub. You can check the link on the description box below. And I believe that this project itself is really important for you who wants to switch career to a front-end developer, because this might be useful for you to show to the hiring team or potential companies that this is one of the portfolio that you made by yourself, that you did it from scratch. Or might as well to help you to understand whether this field with coding is the right area for you. You can see all of the amazing SheCodes Plus projects on their SheCodes Hall of Fame page. They are all so amazing, out of the box, like they try to make something different. So even though we made one project, weather app, but everyone did it differently, so it was amazing to see. I would definitely recommend SheCodes Plus workshop to all of you who want to learn more about coding, or for all of you who are not satisfied yet with the basic course. It is also important for you to join this course if you want to switch career as a front-end developer. So I hope my experience would be helpful for you to decide which course that you should take, and see you on the next part of the video with SheCodes Responsive workshop. And please help me to grow my channel by subscribing to my channel, leave a comment, suggestion, and also like the video and sharing this video for your friends who is considering to join SheCodes workshop. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.